Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, Izzy, we are drawing Dee Dee.
Yep.
Do you know who Dee Dee is? She's Dexter's little sister. Yeah, from Dexter's laboratory. Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Okay, pop the top of it. Okay, easy. So now, start here in the middle, top middle. We're going to draw a little pointy shape, which is just consists of two lines there, and that's going to be a nose. We got that. And now we're drawing a circle here, which is like, that's one of our eyes. And on this side, we draw the other eye, but it goes behind the nose. You see that? That's correct, my boy. Now we draw a little smile here. Yep. Pupil over here. And same thing on the other side. That's nice. Let's see. Perfect, my boy. So now you know you've got the nose going in front of that eye and that side as well, which is correct. Okay, so now down here, just you see the middle of a mouth, then slightly to the right, we're going to draw a line going up there, with going a bit beyond the side of our eye there. Yes, correct. And now from this side here, we're going to come down and just stop there. So we got that midpoint. Nice. So over here, we can draw an ear. Yeah. And then from here, we're going to draw a line down to that ear and curve it in like that. That's going to form part of her hair. That's correct. But now look at this. So she's got this little, I want to call it ponytails, but it's not quite ponytails. I don't know what to call it, but it's a hair.
No, bunny ear.
Well,
I mean bunny tail.
Bunny tail, okay. So from here, I'm going to draw a circle going around, and I'm going to curl it, and it looks like a big apostrophe kind of thing. And from behind the ear, I'm going to tuck that bit in there. And over here, we come over here, we draw a straight line going across till there. And we come down here and we join it to a face. Nice. And now for the other hair, the other ponytail, apostrophe looking, comma looking. Here we go. Almost done. And now we give her 3 long eyelashes each side. Can go over the, yeah. And that's Dee Dee's face, everybody.
Yep.
Okay, so before we continue, let's ask everybody to please drop us a like and maybe even consider subscribing to the channel. So, thank you for doing that. As easy said now, Kanala. Please. And we really appreciate you watching our channel and liking our vids. Okay, so let's continue, Izzy. We do a little dip here, like a little chin looking thing. And now we draw a line coming straight down till there, and another one next to it till there, and we draw a giant finger and another one and another one, and we close it up there. So we draw 3 fingers. Got it? Okay. Now she's got the tiniest little body, and we just draw it like that. Okay, got that? And just eggs. Yeah, when your cat interrupts your drawings. Okay, so we've got a little tiny body there, Easy. And now we're going to draw the tiniest little skirt shape as well. And that's a body. Her head is gigantic, she's got a tiny little body. And now we got the longest legs. So we just draw, then from the arm here, we just draw another long one down there. Let's see yours. Okay, now we're going to split that down the middle. Okay, so now we're drawing a giant foot till there. And another giant fruit till there. And we're joining it, we're finishing it up in the middle there. So now, watch me. We draw a little line down from each point there. And we draw a curve up because she's wearing shoes. And you can see bits of a sock there. Okay?
AKA her long sock.
A long sock. And we draw lines to make little bands. So that first band is going to be white. Then this next band is going to be pink. And another white band. So pink, white, and another pink. Yeah. When we color it in, it will all make sense. Got another one. And that's it, everybody. She usually looks like this where you can't see her other arm. It's because it's in back or whatever. Thanks for watching, everybody. No, I'm joking. What are we doing now? Color. I almost forgot. Okay, so we need pink. We need blue for the eyes. The pupils at least. The blue pupils. We've got our yellows out for her hair. And this one skin color thing we got here. And in fact, we can use, we've got our Lira or Lira, Germany. And it would be this one or this one, which is also skin color pencils. So we can check that out. And time for color, easy.
Yep.
Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
This is Dee Dee from Dexter's Laboratory. Izzy, when are you gonna watch the show? You're gonna check out a few episodes with me. Think you wanna do that? Or is this too old for you now? What do you think?
I'm still watching the series Thunderman.
Okay, so
But I think I'm gonna watch like 5 episodes.
You're gonna check out 5 episodes of this.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Thanks for watching, everybody.
They remind me.
Okay, I will remind you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Okay, bye bye.